Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're taking a close look at the Tineco Pure One Station, a cordless vacuum cleaner that's been making waves in the industry. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk design. The Pure One Station sports an elegant navy blue and black color scheme, with rounded edges that give it a premium look and feel. It's lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to maneuver around your home. And check out that base station. Not only does it empty the dustbin, but it also cleans the vacuum itself. Talk about convenience. Now, let's talk performance. The Pure One Station packs some serious suction power, making quick work of both small particles and larger debris. Whether you're tackling dust, dirt, or pet hair, this vacuum has got you covered. Plus, with up to 60 minutes of battery life, you can clean your entire home without missing a beat. Watch as it effortlessly glides across hardwood floors, carpets, and even under furniture. And thanks to its smart sensors, it automatically adjusts suction power based on the amount of dirt it detects. It's like having a personal cleaning assistant right in your home. But what about maintenance? Well, fear not. The Pure One Station takes care of that too. Its self-cleaning function ensures that the brush, filter, and tube stay clean and clog-free. So you can spend less time maintaining your vacuum and more time enjoying your clean home. So, what's the verdict? The Tineco Pure One Station may come with a higher price tag, but its performance, features, and sleek design make it well worth the investment. If you're in the market for a top-of-the-line cordless vacuum cleaner, look no further than the Pure One Station. That's it for today's review. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning!